Hi, today you will learn how to pixelize video in Kdenlive. So if you want to do it, first you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline, and then you need to select which video you want to edit. So I click on this one video, and then I need to go to FX tab. Now on search field, I need to type Pixelize. Then we will find here two options. First one, advanced, and the second one, basic. So I recommend you to drag and drop advanced version to our video. And here on the effects and composition stack settings, we can adjust the pixelize mode. On default it is set to average, but I recommend you to change it to minimum or maximum. Everything depends on your preferences. For example, if I will select here minimum, it will look something like that. But if I will select here maximum, it will look something like that. So for example, I select here minimum, and I will decrease the block width, and I will decrease the block height maybe to 6. Okay, so it is minimally pixelized now, so if you will click play button, you'll be able to check the effect of this modification. So if I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to support my channel from links in descriptions.